welcome to my channel. Today we'll be making one of the best fried chicken. After washing and cleaning your meat, we're gonna put some hot sauce in, and I will have all the measurement down below. Then I'm gonna add my 1.5 cup of buttermilk. I'm gonna mix this baby up. It is nice and juicy. And then I'm going to put some plastic wrap over it, and I'm gonna place it in the fridge for about half an hour to an hour. I am going to remove the buttermilk from the chicken. And I'm going to add 2 cups of all-purpose flour. And here I have my seasoning. I have my salt, my Italian season, my onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, and paprika. I am going to add it all into my chicken. And I'm going to add 1 egg. And now I'm going to add 2 cups of club soda. Now this is going to make the chicken crispy and flavorful when I cook them. And it's basically the secret ingredients to the recipe. Now I'm going to put my hand in here and I'm going to mix it up really nice until everything is covered. And I'm going to put some plastic wrap over this, and I'm going to put it right back into the fridge for another half an hour to an hour if you have time. But if you want to cook it right away, you can go right ahead. In a large bowl, I'm going to add plain flour. And you don't need any season for the flour, I promise. And you're going to add the chicken in the flour and coat it nice and give it a little shake. You can repeat this process until you are finished. And I want to give a shout out to my nephew Spencer. He's the one that motivated me to do this video. I am going to heat up my oil. At 350, I am using vegetable oil. And you're going to cook this until it is basically golden brown. It looks beautiful and it smells amazing up in here. And there you have it, best fried chicken ever. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share this recipe with your families and friends.